Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something thanks to Daniel from over at exoticnudes.com. Go check out exoticnudes.com. He's got some really neat stuff over there to check out. So check it out already. This is one that I've been looking for a long time, and luckily he had a bunch of it in stock. He does instant noodle boxes that are from all around the world. Good stuff. If you want to try new stuff, this is a great way to do it. And this is Samyang Buldak Tom Yum Noodle. Yeah. So I'm excited. I've been really wanting to try this, and I love Thai food, so this is like Korean Thai fusion. I have my thoughts on how this is going to end up tasting, so I've never tried it, and I won't try it in this show. What do you mean, the? You're the? I know. But the deal is that I'm going to do a mukbang, so you will see it during that when I eat it. So yeah. So it's gonna take 5 minutes of cooking here, and I'll give you a rundown of what I've been up to in the last couple days. It's been pretty eventful around here in my locale. My wife and children took a planned vacation down to visit her parents, and I just couldn't cover a plane ticket, so that's okay. And yeah, they had a good time. I was here, so I had to get something done. So I attacked the house. I went all over the house. I got, well, let's see. I started off by doing 4 new top 10 lists, doing the video for those. China, Malaysia, Thailand, and the new spiciest list. Vacuumed, mopped, looked around for junk to clean up, got rid of a bunch of junk, did a bunch of organizing, and just like literally 4 days straight of just keeping busy because I missed my peoples, you know. We just had those two, right? I don't want to do this correctly. Noodle sauce. Okay, so the powder goes in at the end, but the liquid needs to go in now. Okay. It's funny they call it a sauce. They should, at least in this respect, but I think that probably translates pretty well. People know what a sauce is. And then there's a powder sachet, but that goes in at the end, which is kind of peculiar. So this just smells like Buldak at this point. Yeah. We'll see. It's a stew type, so it actually is like got 500 mils of broth. But yeah, it did all that. And baked a cake. Got roses for her to come home to. What else? Did a bunch of walking. That was nice. And yeah. And then of course she was at the airport and visited her folks. Got home. Started feeling under the weather on Saturday. And now it's Tuesday, and yesterday when she got home, she looked just like miserable. And I was like, Yeah, you should stop unpacking and sit down and chill. And she took a test, and yep, she got the Rona, which means we're all gonna get the Rona. So she got a souvenir she wasn't looking for, but I was able to get down to the store and get her some Paxlovid. So that's good at least. But man, and what is she doing? She works from home, so she's working. And she's, I was like, so at least you'll be able to show people a lot of empathy and sympathy for those that are, you know, making appointments to go see somebody about COVID symptoms. She's like, I already had one. They sounded like death. I'm like, oh God. But she's doing it. Used to be, you know, it'd be like, well, if you didn't work from home, you'd be kind of in the, you know, in the doghouse. You wouldn't be able to really work. But I don't know how they do that now. We were both talking about it when she was on her break, and it's just like, so what is the demands if you do that? I mean, obviously, she had to call in, you know, talk to the health people. I said, well, it's at your discretion, so that makes sense. It's smelling kind of Tom Yum-ish. I don't know. I think I'm going to use the white bowl. That's my plan. It's tricky sometimes. I've got a nice blue bowl that's from Korea, but I don't know. And again, it's like a Thai style, so, but then again, it's not. This is going to be way thicker than the Thais do Tom Yum. This is probably going to be about as thick as how they do it in Malaysia. Maybe, we'll see. My guess is this is probably going to end up being a lot like the tomato paste flavored Buldak, just with a bunch of lemongrass, and maybe a slight seafood flavor. I'm really not sure what to expect, and I figure if I've got this mukbang ready to do, I'd better do it before I end up getting sick, because that's kind of inevitable, folks. But I got a lot of stuff to get done, so if I get sick, I got work to do. Interesting. It smells very sweet. It smells suspect of being anything like Tom Yum. We'll see. You know, throw that on there. By the way, the music you are enjoying, hopefully, is, what do you call it? It's AI generated. I threw this together a little while ago. And being Tuesday, I make folders for each day of the week. And so if it's a Tuesday, I'll use the Tuesday folder. I haven't done any other folders than this one, so. Do we want to? Yeah. A pinch. What was that? I could use some crushed red pepper. There it is. Oh yeah, I went through all my spices and kind of did a redux of those. But yeah, definitely a soupy bulldog variety. That really angers a lot of people. I'm sure there's going to be people that'll just make this like not the indicated way because they're like, it's not spicy. It's not even going to be spicy, even though it will be spicy. But what can you do? Humans are humans. All day long. All right, well, the next one you're gonna see is me eating this stuff. I don't know. We'll see. I haven't done a spicy mukbang in a while, so that will be something to try. Hey, if you're not subscribing to this channel, you're rude, and no, you probably haven't clicked the button. But if everybody who watches this show subscribe, I'd be at like 70,000 subs at this point, and I'm only at like 25,000, I think. So you should do that. You should grab your friends' phones, sub them, do all that. So yeah, be sneaky. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoy your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.